Okay, HDRIs, they can be your best friend but your worst enemy as well. Here's what I mean. While HDRIs do give you realistic lighting and realistic reflections, they also stay in the background and really mess up your whole scene as the floor doesn't align and all that issue. So how do you hide a HDRI background? Well, you can do it in one easy click. Here's how you do that. You go over here in the render properties, scroll all the way down until you find film, and you can click transparent. And there you go. You still get your reflections and lighting, but at the same time, you're hiding the HDRI background. Now note this works in cycles and Eevee as well. And one thing you have to make sure is that if you don't want a black background while rendering, you have to go over here into the render settings or output properties and make sure you're in a file format that supports RGBA, which is red, green, blue, and a alpha channel, meaning it has a invisible background. Okay, that was it for today's tutorial. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification button so you don't miss out on other awesome tutorials like this. And I'll see you in the next one.